Pete in the background, working really hard on cleaning the boat. George, you have no idea. When that boat's ready, you'll get to go out on the boat. You haven't been out on the boat yet, have you? No. But that one's got a cab, so you'll be able to check out the boat. Let's go have a look. Gutted out there. I thought it was already empty. Is there more?
No.
Wow. So doing the pressure clean on the inside too? Okay, just ripping it out.
We just had the hood.
Woo.
Pete's on the other side trying to do the same to that.
Am I seeing that you have finally got it draining out?
Come look.
Okay, come on. That seems to be lower. That's still full.
What seems to be low?
That down there, yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Man. It might be draining slowly.
Cleaning it out though, that looks.
Do we ever get that open?
I don't know. I don't know. Ow. That's really full of water, eh? So that's what you contributed to. So we've gutted the table out, have we? Where's the tabletop at the moment? Oh, it's out in the
silly.
Whereabouts, Pete? Whereabouts?
It's probably over these wheels here somewhere. Roundabout.
On the blue?
No, underneath.
Oh.
You got a little line here, see
Oh yes. What is all that? Is that just water?
Hi all. Skye's asked me to actually do a bit of a talk about what's supposed to be happening and what's not going to happen. So, in a nutshell, the boat is, everything that you see in the boat is going to be removed. So it is going to be removed to a bare shell. All stringers, regardless of whether they look good or not, are going to be replaced. So it'll be all new stringers, all new flooring, complete nice, all new flow coat before everything goes back in. Everything you see behind us is going to be removed. Every wall, driver station, seating area, all the way through up into the bow where the anchor well and everything's going to be completely removed and replaced with new. Obviously, we're going to be using a fibre finish product, I believe. For those that are new, I really don't know what the fuel capacity in this boat is. I believe it's only about 350, somewhere between 350 and 450 litres a side. I'm actually going to double that capacity, hopefully to around about 750 to 800 litres of fuel a side. From what I can gather just by going through, currently now I'm actually in the process of pumping out the floor of the boat. So I feel there's about 2,000 litres of water sitting under the floor at the moment. It's pretty crazy, but we're removing it and we'll see how that goes for us. But obviously that capacity is going to be reduced. There's no need, I'm not going out in the water for friggin' 17 months, so we'll just leave it probably 250, 300 litres. And that should even out the extra fuel load that we're going to carry. Where the old engine bays were, at the back of the boat, is now going to possibly be either eskies or maybe even we're toying with the idea of inbuilt freezers. Obviously cost. There's going to be a new pod, or a hull extension is going to be put on the back of the boat. It's going to actually increase the length by about 1.5 meters. Is anyone who's going to question why 1.5 meters, you'll see at the end. It's going to be really cool. Talk to a few people. This is going to be a great idea, we feel. But yeah, once again, I won't be doing that. That is going to be done by a professional. I've got a couple of quotes. We've been talking to a few people, getting some really good product in line. There'll be no timber put back into the boat. I think Skye's already mentioned that in the past, but there will be no timber. It'll be all composite foam type material. Yeah, and obviously depending on where it's located, it'll be depending on the thickness and how much we use. Costs more, better product, gonna last longer, never have to replace it. That's my plan. Yeah, so keep an eye on what Skye's got. Skye posts. It's probably the only time I speak. Okay, so we're not made of money, sadly. No one is these days. But so it's going to take a while to do this little bit of a project. Like I say though, I've got good people that I can talk to. I can bounce off information. I can get the knowledge that I don't have from and like a soundboard to get the right information. And obviously the viewers that have actually been following, I've seen some of your advice and some tips and some really good stuff come through, so I appreciate that. Keep that coming. Okay guys, but yeah, please follow. The videos may be a bit sporadic, like between work, money, everything like that. So, but yeah, keep an eye on them. Just follow, just like, share, follow the page. And just, like I say, just keep sounding back the information to us, and like what you like and what you don't like about what we're doing. And yeah, well, hopefully we can reply to you, and maybe we can even implement some of your ideas. Cheers.